everyone, it's the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that came from the folks over at Exotic Nudes. Go to exoticnudes.com, use the coupon code TheRamenRater and get yourself a discount. These might also be available at shop.theramenraider.com, just so you know. So yeah, this is Daisho, Hakata. So this is Tonkotsu, wonderful stuff. And yeah, where we got 2 minutes, 2 cups of water, 2 to 2.5 minutes. I'm gonna do 2 minutes. Yeah. That's what we're doing. And we're enjoying it. Hey Mimi, how you doing? She is good today, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, still waiting for Christmas to roll around. It is the 22nd of December. There we go. We got 2 sachets. It's gonna be Christmas. Are you excited for Christmas? Yeah. Let's see, are there other sachets in here? I don't think so. Today? Alright. There are our noodles. You want stickers? I'll tell you what, I'll give you some stickers on the next episode. Yeah. Actually, first, let's do our little... What we got here. You want a snowman? Maybe I'll see about some stickers. Hold up. Let's see. Number 126. A pitfall for the CEO may be found in tributes of praise. The more you succeed, the more you will find yourself surrounded by flatterers and will stumble the instant you start feeling like a hero. I don't know anybody who's got a bunch of butt kissers that was around him for the last 4 years. Yeah. I think the problem is if you're a leader and you crave that. If you crave adoration in order to feel okay about your job. I mean, sure, popularity, that's one thing, but like, I have to feel the adoration of these people that surround me to make me like feel good. Yeah, no. Yeah. Good day, got out early, did some walking. Last night it snowed. Go find your Hello Kitty sticker book and I'll get you some stickers, okay? And the Hello Kitty sticker book is important. Well, you have to go look around for it. Yes, you can. You have total ability to look. Here's a tip, Mimi. Look under things. Look over in the green box and on top of the thing where all the books are. I'll bet you it's on top of the thing where the books are. I bet you it is on top of the thing where the books are. But, yeah, it went out, it rained, or it snowed. Yeah, see, you can. Say, I can do it. I can do it. Yeah, there you go. We got 4 seconds left. Let me give my darling daughter some stickers before she loses her freaking mind.
There's a crack in there, too.
There is. Oh, man. Well, here, I gotta hurry, but... Wait. Don't. Not all is lost. Here, have some Daniel Tiger stickers, and I will get you more stickers in a minute, okay? Here. There's some stickers, and I'll get you more in a minute. But only put them in the book, okay? Thank you. Alright. It's nice, because a lot of the time, to appease my children, all they require is some adhesive-backed paper that has pictures on it. It's amazing how much joy children get out of adhesive-backed papers. If you have the children, try adhesive-backed papers to give them enjoyment out of life. And they're cheap too. Well, there's ones that are expensive. Don't give them bumper stickers. God, I remember one day I gave them all these stickers. I still haven't finished fixing the issue. But they put stickers all over the front for our entertainment center. All these little paper stickers that, of course, when you start to peel them off, they don't peel all the way off. Literally what they do is leave all the plastic or a paper residue. Not kind. So Hakata Tonkotsu from Daisho. Cheers. Nice backbone. A very meaty noodle. Honestly, this one, very chickeny, almost. I take that back. On tasting of the broth, yeah, it is porky. Yummy porky noodle. Oh, what are we gonna do to this? We're gonna use my absolute last piece of chashu in this one. Now, hopefully, shortly, we will be going to the place where I get my chashu, which is Wajimaya in Bellevue, Washington. If you've never been and you live in the Northwest, you should go to Wajimaya. But I warn you, instant noodles there are rather expensive. And I don't like that. Like, they have some varieties from Japan, but the ones that they have from Japan, of course, they don't have any meat. But you can they got this over in the deli, this chashu, and it's the good stuff. I'm a firm believer in going there and shelling out a bunch and individually wrapping these things and slapping them in the freezer. Okay, so now it's time for egg satisfaction. I'm doing 4 reviews today. Mainly because I just can. And my lovely wife made me 4 eggs. Speaking of, whoa, my God, whoa. These are the best looking eggs your mama's ever made. These are absolutely... You can have them. I'll save them after I'm done. You can have some egg. Well, they're cold. They were in the fridge, but they're gonna be hot for a little while. But they'll get cooled down, and then you can have some.
And I can have them on.
You can have them with lunch. Because you are an egghead. You like eggs. I need to get more Narutomaki too. Let's put some mung bean sprouts. I have to now say good job to the produce department at our local Safeway store. They have remodeled, and boy, right now, I mean, it's like I went there and I got mung bean sprouts and they're good for a week. I am like freaking tickled pink about that.
I like
I know, that's your favorite color. Yeah, usually we have to go all the way to Linwood to go to 99 Ranch Market. And this weekend, poor Kit wasn't feeling all that great, so we didn't have to do that, and that was really nice. So, also, I went out and I got some more sesame seeds. It's like a big freaking thing. Yeah. There's some sesame seeds. We're gonna go with some, what do you call this? This stuff. Shichimi. And we will do the oral. So there's two different kinds of this Leu chili oil, I should know. Yeah. There's the chili oil with chili pepper, and then there's just the chili oil. The chili oil with chili pepper, as you can see, it's kind of more skunky. It's got more stuff going on. So let's let that rip. That looks wonderful. Oops. Try to. All right, there we go. Let's allow. Like that. Let's do it. So somebody on the, I think it was on the group or on the Facebook page, asked if I would do this one. Noguri. So tomorrow you will see that one. Hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.